wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best glass cutters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. You'd better know what you're doing before you buy this JPD heavy-duty circular, as it doesn't come with instructions, but pros will love the clean and simple cuts that it makes. The suction cup is strong enough to get the job done without requiring Hercules to remove it. It's great for plate glass and is extremely durable. However, be aware that the measurements are metric. At number 7, if you want to make perfectly round pieces, the glastar strip and circle deserves a place in your toolbox. It can also help you create all sorts of other precise shapes. You will need to make your own wooden base for it though, so it may be too elaborate for novices. This one's wonderful for mosaics and is good for big jobs, but it tends to slip easily. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you like making art out of things other people have discarded, then you'll love Ephrem's bottle cutter kit. You can score any glass bottle or jar with this setup, and it comes with everything you'll need to get started, including an adapter kit. It cuts the bottoms off easily and is sturdy and well made. However, the instructions are worthless. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glass cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, if you do a lot of work with bottles, Creator's Cutter is a must-own. It's incredibly stable, allowing for the most intricate of cuts, and even works well on square items. If your pieces vary widely in size, making adjustments on this thing is a snap. It's good for making uniform cuts and requires very little setup, but it is expensive relative to other options. Halfway up our list at number 4. The Toyo pistol grip uses an oil-lubricated replaceable carbide steel wheel, ensuring that it's always sharp and ready when you need it. The grip is comfortable and allows for precision cuts, making it a great choice for anyone who does a lot of meticulous crafting. It's a leak-free design that offers effortless weight distribution and holds quite a bit of oil. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want a professional-grade cut at a hobbyist's price, the CRL Toyo Original slices through glass like a hot knife through butter. It has a low profile as well, so you can put it in your pouch or toolbox and hardly even notice that it's there. It features a wheel that hones angles up to 140 degrees and long-lasting heads. It's great for working on mirrors. At number 2, it may not look like much, but the Logan Elite lives up to its name, giving precise detailed cuts at a price that's more than fair. Beginners will find it easy to use while learning, and more experienced users will be amazed by the versatility of this handy tool. It's excellent for straight lines and requires very little pressure. It comes with quality lubricant. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the vgce Custom Grip Supercutter has an adjustable saddle, so you can find the perfect setting for you without having to contort your hand into any unnatural positions. This makes it a good choice if you need to share it with others as well. It's ideal for arthritis sufferers and works well even without oil. It allows for extended work periods. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glass cutters, or simply click beneath this video.